The modern workplace. It's been disrupted and has undergone a massive transformation in just a few short months. For many organizations, the traditional office setting, which once featured water coolers and cubicles, has been replaced by a remote workforce that's equipped to work from just about everywhere. The new work remote anytime business model has been extremely beneficial for many employees and employers alike. However, it has also presented challenges, especially to IT organizations who are working to do everything possible to maintain a secure network and communications while keeping their employees happy and productive. Performing modern everyday tasks like file sharing, video conferencing, and other collaborative activities have become the norm and need to be made easy. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. IT admins are overwhelmed trying to figure out which solution fits their needs. The number of complex software and platforms on the market, coupled with complicated payment plans, can be too much for even the best IT teams. CompuNet is your IT partner with a solution that could take that stress away by bundling what you need into one easy-to-use platform. The Cisco Webex Work Bundle solution. CompuNet is a Cisco Gold Master Collaboration and Master Security Partner that features a diverse engineering team that brings a breadth of knowledge and experience. The Webex Work Bundle, a collaboration platform that features everything you need for remote work and business continuity in one simple subscription. The platform features a flexible, affordable solution that's easy to buy, set up, and support. It's high definition, hassle-free, and has video conferencing to meet with one or multiple people at a time. The Webex Work Bundle provides a highly secure connection for one-to-one team and business-to-business chats, as well as the ability to share and collaborate on files with whiteboarding. The cloud calling offering delivers proven enterprise-class Cisco-hosted calling functionality, content management, and unlimited access to voice-over IP. And the best part? It all comes in a package deal that provides flexible yearly plans and allows you to be billed annually, monthly, or prepay for your plan of choice. Easy, right? CompuNet will listen, consult, design, implement, provide adoption services, and more. Contact CompuNet today.